don't forget to make a note of all the exciting things you discover on your trip.
If you've got any cameras in your hands, please make sure they have them turned.
The giraffe population has dropped by 40% in the past 30 years due to poaching and habitat loss.
The Chessington Conservation supports giraffe conservation by funding scientific research, field surveys and improving security of the reserves.
Evening giraffes are some of the most amazing creatures on the planet.
They can live up to 25 years in the wild. They can grow as tall as 6 metres, that's 18 feet.
That's as tall as a house.
Yes, and their long legs help them run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour.
Whoa! That's as fast as a truck.
Their long necks enable them to reach the tops of the trees for their favourite snack, leaves.
They also sleep for no more than 5 minutes at a time.
That's because they spend all day.
Which is why it's vital to continue our efforts to preserve this magnificent species.
International breeding program to help re-establish the species in North Africa. Look around, adventurers, and you might be able to see some antelope with a white blaze on their faces. These are called blesmen. They were once one of the most abundant antelope species of the African plains, but they became an endangered species during the early colonisation of South Africa, when they were hunted for skin and meat. Thankfully, numbers have now since recovered and they are now deemed as least concerned species.
They live for up to 17 years and both males and females have horns.
Though the female's horns are slightly more slender.
Rhinoceros, they can't mix with these animals, so I thought they had a but photos was a lot. I don't. Oh yeah, I was not about that.